Tomato plants are often pruned incorrectly, and this mistake can seriously affect their growth and fruit production. Many gardeners aren't sure how to prune or which type of tomato plant needs more or less pruning. Some even remove the wrong parts, which weakens the plant and reduces the harvest. In this video, we will explain how to properly prune your tomato plants to maximize their growth and yield. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tomatoes are divided into two main types: determinate and indeterminate. The way you prune them depends on which type you are growing. Determinate tomato plants grow to a certain height, produce all their fruit at once, and then stop growing. They are more compact and don't need much pruning because removing too many leaves or branches can limit fruit production. Indeterminate tomato plants keep growing and producing fruit continuously throughout the season. These plants can grow very tall, so they need proper pruning to stay healthy and productive. For indeterminate tomatoes, the first step is to remove the lower leaves. These leaves, especially the ones close to the ground, are more likely to catch diseases. If they touch the soil, they can pick up harmful bacteria and fungi, which can spread to the rest of the plant. Removing the lower leaves improves air circulation and reduces the risk of disease, keeping the plant healthier. The next step is to remove the suckers. Suckers are small shoots that grow in the space between the main stem and a branch. If left to grow, they will turn into full branches, making the plant bushy and overcrowded. This reduces airflow and wastes the plant's energy. Instead of focusing on producing fruit, the plant puts energy into growing more leaves and branches. Removing these suckers helps the plant direct its energy toward fruit production. However, it's important not to remove all the branches. Keep only 2 to 3 strong main branches and remove the rest. This allows the plant to grow taller while staying open and manageable. With fewer branches, the plant can receive more sunlight, and the fruits will have enough space to develop properly. For determinate tomatoes, pruning is much simpler. Since these plants have a fixed size and produce fruit all at once, they don't need heavy pruning. The only thing that should be removed is the lower leaves. Just like with indeterminate tomatoes, lower leaves can catch diseases from the soil, so removing them helps keep the plant healthy. However, you should not remove suckers or extra branches. Unlike indeterminate tomatoes, determinate plants don't keep growing after they produce fruit. If you remove too many branches, you will also remove future flower clusters, which means fewer tomatoes. Keeping all branches and suckers allows the plant to produce as much fruit as possible before it stops growing. Understanding the difference between these two types of tomatoes is very important for proper pruning. Many gardeners make the mistake of pruning determinate tomatoes like indeterminate ones, removing too many branches and reducing their harvest. Others let indeterminate tomatoes grow wild, leading to overcrowded plants that struggle to produce good fruit. By pruning the right way, you can improve the health of your tomato plants and increase your yield. Pruning might seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference. When done correctly, it helps the plant grow stronger, reduces the risk of disease, and ensures that the plant puts most of its energy into producing fruit instead of unnecessary leaves. It also makes it easier to manage the plant and harvest the tomatoes. So next time you are pruning your tomatoes, remember these simple steps and give your plants the best chance to thrive. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.